Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics: your Jazzcash account number, the phone number tied to it, and that your KYC is complete. Once done, open the Jazzcash app or web dashboard and choose the international transfer or bank transfer option. This is where SWIFT details are entered. Make sure you understand why the bank city and recipient bank name matter. They help the SWIFT directory match the correct BIC. Now proceed to enter the beneficiary info carefully. You now search for the SWIFT or BIC. Type the full recipient bank name and city into the SWIFT field. The system often suggests the 8 or 11-character code. If Jazzcash requires an intermediary bank, add its SWIFT too, because some local banks route via a correspondent bank. Once you see a match, compare branch code or address to your beneficiary's info. If everything aligns, proceed to enter the amount and currency. Then review fees, and you finalize by reviewing every field, confirming fees, and authorizing with your PIN or OTP. This step completes the instruction to send funds. Once sent, save the receipt and record the SWIFT/BIC and timestamp for tracking. If the transfer fails or is returned, make sure the SWIFT code and bank city matched exactly, then check for intermediary bank requirements. If still unresolved, contact Jazzcash support with the receipt and error message. They can trace via the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.